On this part, you'll learn how to create and design the register or the sign up page, which is the page that the users are going to use to create new accounts. In here, you can see that similar to the login page that we created on the last part, it does have a header, it does have multiple input fields, and then a register button. So let's go to Visual Studio. In the layout.c#html, we have defined that whenever the users click the register button, we want to redirect them to authentication and then register action. So let us just go to the authentication controller and let's see if we have the action in here, and we don't actually have an action. So let us create a new action. I'm just going to copy these lines, paste them in here, and then change the value from login to register. I'm going to just right click in here and then add view. Select razor view empty and click the add button. And the name is going to be register.c#html. Now, since I have already designed a similar view, I'll just go to the Solution Explorer. And then in here, I'll just go to the login form. I'm just going to copy this file. And then go to the register and paste it in here. Let us scroll up, and in here, let us first change the title. The title is going to be sign up for a new account. Let's copy this text and then paste it in here. Then let's scroll down. In here, we are going to leave the ASP controller to authentication, but we are going to change the action to register. Then down here, we are going to have the full name first. So I'll just copy these lines, paste them in here. And here, change the for to be full name. Type is going to be text. The value in here is going to be full name. And then the ID in here is going to be full name. Enter full name. You can remove this small from here. And down, we're going to have the email address. We're going to also have a password, but other than that, we're going to also have an additional field, which we're going to use to confirm the password. Just going to name this confirm, and then password, and then confirm, then password. The type is going to be password. The ID is going to be confirm password. And then the placeholder is going to be re-enter password. And then down here on the button, we are going to change these from btn login to btn register because we want them to be the same. And then I'll change the text from login to register, or you can type in here just sign up. It's the same thing. Let me just save the changes and then I'll just run the app. And now in here, let us go to the register. In the register view, now you can see that we have the sign up for a new account. We have full name, email address, password, and confirm password. And also the register button, which looks similar to the register button here at the top right. Now, this is all about designing this app. We are still going to add some improvements to the UI while we develop the app and we add some data logic to the app. But for now, this is more than enough for us to start working with actual data. We have previously talked about how we can pass data from a controller to a view. On the upcoming parts, we're going to talk about how we can pass data from a view to a controller and much more. So, see you on the next ones.